Hey, in this video I will show you how you can run Google Ads for your campaign, for your business, like for fitness center or a gym center, like this one. You see, this 14street.org is running Google Ads for their fitness center, and if you want to run your gym center ads, you can follow my video and I will show you the full step by steps how you can do it. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you just need to have a website, and then you will need to have a Google ad account. So if you need a website, if you don't have a website, you can search on Google how you can create a first you can create a Google website, and you can get a website easily. So let me show you how you can create a Google ads for your fitness center. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to need to do, search on Google ads.google.com, then click on sign in. Then you will just, if you don't have any ad account, you need to get new ad account, and I have already ad account, so I will go with this ad account. So when you are here, you just need to click on plus icon, then click on new campaign. For fitness center, we always do leads campaign, because for fitness center we need leads to get more clients, so we'll go with leads. So for fitness center, we must need to conversion goal, must need to set a conversion goal. If you don't know how you can create a conversion tank with the Google Tag Manager, you can check my website. You can check my you can check my YouTube channel. So continue. Then we will select here search campaign. Then we will select here our website. We'll put our website here. We'll give our campaign name here, fitness center leads search campaign, and then we will click on continue. Yes, let's start new. Here we don't need to do anything, because we are doing ads for conversion and next. So if you want to select only search network, you can do, or if you want display network also, you can do it, no problem. Okay, so I want to do only United States, or if you want to select any other country, you can select from it here. Just new one. Okay, so target New York City, 38 million people, and now we can select here language also, and English is good for this, and port match. So at the beginning we will use port match keyword. More setting, so add rotation, start and end it. So add rotation, we don't need to do anything. Yes, optimize prefer the best performing ads. Yes, we need to do it. And for more more setting. We can start and end it. We can set up a start and end it, even though it's not connected. We can run it for 7 days, and we also can click on none as you want. More setting, add scheduling if you want to run your ads in a specific time, like at the morning to evening. If you want all the day or Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Then more setting. We not to do anything here. Next, now we need to put our keyword here. While we look at our keyword, they will give us some keyword. We will remove it, and then we just need to search on Google to keyword planner. Then we will find the keyword planner from here. Go to keyword planner. Okay, this one new keyword, fitness center United States. Okay, all perfect. Get result. Okay, now it will show some result here, and I will copy it. Okay, I have selected 100 and copy. Okay, now I will put this keyword here. All perfect. Now we need to create. I need to create our ad copy here. Okay, so I have showed you a sample here, and if you don't know how to do it, you can use ChatGPT to make it. Just use some command for ChatGPT. Making source for my fitness center. And taking some title and description. Okay, get fit today. Okay, fitness center. Okay, and next, and next. Okay, so you can add so many here, no problem. And they have generated some from website, but you can't really use this one. There is a character commit on ads, so we need to keep it mind. Here we can put only 90 character. So let's let's put it here. It's also more. Alright, so next one. Alright, so you can put more description here. Also you can make some site link for your website, for your ads. Just click on create, and if you click on contract now, you can put the details here. And then all done. Then next you will see here how you can set a custom budget. If you want daily $10, then next you will see everything on here. And if you need to check and change anything, you can change it from here. Okay. Now if you click on publish campaign, you will get this done. So if you face any kind of issue, comment below and I will reply you instantly, no problem. And if you ask for any kind of tutorial video, you can comment below. I will definitely try to make that video for you. Okay, bye bye, take care.